Daddy,
and
Kittens!
today your sister has birthday. Do you want to help us to decorate the room?
Yeah!
Okay, keep it. Alright, let's go.
Wow!
Wow, yeah, and we have a pump.
This one!
Yes, okay. So we have balloons. We have lights. And we have the whistles. Now we need to light a candle. Make a wish, make a wish. And I have for you a present.
Thank you, Daddy.
It's alright. Can I get one slide of the birthday cake?
This slide is for you, Daddy.
Thank you. Nom, nom, nom.
Happy birthday! I hope all your birthday wishes come true. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear friend. Happy birthday to you.
Squeeze it, yeah.
Sponsored by IQ English.